So today we will see the concept is file handling in C. So what is file? So file is a collection of information or collection of data which are present in our secondary memory, that is hard disks. Nothing but our text file. Text file is our file. So file is a collection of information or collection of data which are present in the secondary memory. That is called hard disks. In the file handling, we are doing the three things. First one is the open the file. Second one is the operation on file. And third one is the closing the file. So some of the instruction in the file. So these three operation is for the handling. Next, set of instruction in file. So first one is the F open. So this function is for the opening the file. F close, that is for the closing the file. So I will write all the function name and later we will see one by one all the time. F get C, F put C, F get S, F put S, F printf, F scanf, F read, F write, F tell, F seek, rewind. These 13 function we will use for the file handling concepts of file operation. So these are the instructions, these are the functions we will use. Okay, done this.
No.
Sorry.
Wait, 1 minute.
Okay.
Yes, done.
Next is F open. F open, that means file opening. The syntax of F open: file pointer, then F open. Here constant character star path, then here constant character star mode. So F open here constant, that means it will not modify the data, it will only read it. So this is the file open here. This is my function of the file open, F open. So inside that two argument we are passing. First one is the path. So here my path of the file, or you can pass here string. And here we have to pass mode. That is the mode is the read mode or write mode. We will see how many types of mode: read plus, write plus, like this way. Different modes are available. So different modes we have to pass here. Here you can pass the path of your directory where the file is available, and otherwise you can pass the string also. In the return, it will return the starting address of the file. So return type of the file pointer. The file pointer will get the starting address of that file. So one thing, upon successfully open file, fopen returns a file pointer, that means file address, and upon failure it returns 0. So upon successfully open, it returns the file pointer, and upon failure it returns 0. Done?
Yes.
Okay. Then I will delete this. We will do one program. I will create here one file, text file. Here I have written only Yogin. File star fp. That is my file pointer. File pointer is equal to f open. File name is my data. So in the present working directory, you can give direct the file name. Otherwise, if it is not in the present working directory or another directory, that means another folder. So you need to pass here path. I will open in read mode. If my fp is equal to 0, then printf file not present. Else file present. We are not reading anything here for this program. We are checking that my file is present or not present. File not present. Data.txt is available, then why? Data is available. I will see this. Why it's showing this file is not present? File is already there, and then also okay. So next, first theoretical part we will complete. Then yeah, I will check this reason. Next is the mode. The first mode is the, so I will write like this way. Mode, then operation, then position, then created, then truncated. So first one mode is the read mode. So operation is reading, where the position of my file pointer is beginning. File gets created? No. File get truncated means deleted data? No. R plus mode, that is read and write. Where is the position? Beginning. File gets created? Not. Truncated? Not. Next mode is the write mode. Where is the position? It's beginning. File gets created? Yes. In the write mode, the file will get created. If older file is available, that data will get deleted and again new file is created. Such file data gets truncated? Yes. In W plus mode, read and write. Here also beginning. File gets created? Yes. And file data will get truncated. That means deleted. Whatever data is available in that file, that will deleted and new data will added, whatever we will write. Then A, that means appending mode. So appending, that means here suppose I open the read mode, so I can only read. I have opened read and write mode, so location is beginning. So I don't want to write my data from the starting. So I have to go to the end of my file, and then after I have to write the data using read plus write. But instead of this, the appending mode, that means location is the end. That means in the data file I have written Yogin. So at the last, after n, this appending mode will be point. So at the last character. So here also file will get created, but it will not delete data, original data. A plus mode, that means read and appending. Here beginning and end. If you have you want to read the data, then beginning, and if you want to add data, and then ending. So the location is beginning and ending, both yes and not. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Today we will do the theoretical part of only this. Tomorrow we will do the much more, because I want to complete today early because of my health. R mode, that means read mode, only reading operation. So my file pointer is at the starting. This is called file pointer, not a function pointer. So we can create a file. In the file, whatever data is in that, only we can read it. If we try to write, the file data will truncated. We can created a file. In the file, whatever data is in that file, only read it. If we try to write it in file, data is truncated. Okay, this is my read mode. That means only we can read it. Next is the R plus mode. That is read and write. So writing data in the file, it start overwriting. Read plus mode, that means read and write, that starting location is at the beginning, position is the beginning. So for example, in my file data is written A B C D E F, and I am writing the data, so it will replace with A with M, B with N, O, P, Q. Suppose I have written like this way only. Just a second, give M, N, O, P, then E, F. It will be as it is. So in R plus mode, writing data in the files, it start overwriting. Overwriting, that means it will, whenever the ABCDEF written that MNOPEF like this way, it's overwrite my data. Okay, done this.
Yes.
Next is W, that means writing operation. So in this mode will help you to create a file. If file is not if file is not available in my directory, so this write mode will create a file. If file already available, so that data will get truncated. If file is not available in my directory, so file will created using W mode, write mode. If file is already there, then file data gets truncated. Okay, done.
Yes.
And next is the W plus mode, reading as well as writing. That means file created and truncated. So data gets first truncated, and after newly read data, you can read it. So W mode, that means write mode. W plus, that means write and read. W mode, that means it will create a file, and whatever, if file is available, then whatever data is there, that will be truncated. In W plus mode, it will also create a file. It can also able to read also, but for W plus mode, first whatever data is available, that will be truncated, and then after you can add new data. That data you can able to read also. This is W plus mode. Understood? So what is difference between R plus and W plus? R plus also doing the read and write. W plus also doing the read and write. So what is the difference? R plus mode is not deleting your previously data. You can, whatever the data is available, you can able to read it. If you want to modify particular data, so you can, at the starting you can start to overwrite that, and rest of the data as it is there in the data file. In W plus, the previous data all are the deleted, and then after newly added data you can able to read it. So this is the difference between R plus and W plus. Done this.
Yes.
Next, A, appending. A, that means appending. Adding at the end, file is created, it will not truncated. At the end, we have to write data. So we can able to write using append mode. File is created already, it will not truncated. An A plus mode, that is read and appending. Reading is done from the beginning. Appending, that means adding the file at the end. So here two operation. Read, that means reading is done from the beginning, and appending, that means adding the file at the end. Appending is for writing at the end. So this is the difference, and that is the use different mode.
Then
Okay. Yeah, let me try once. If file will working, then yeah, we can try. If not working, then we can close. Tomorrow we will see. Not working properly, yeah. So we will see tomorrow. I will find the solution and all things. Okay, thank you. Bye.
thank you.